Good morning, class 10th. Yesterday we have studied three image formation for concave mirror. First, when object is placed at infinity. Second, when object is placed at focus. Third, when object is placed between C and F. Now today we are going to study when the object is placed at C. Let's see here. AB is an object which is placed at center of curvature. Now, by using rules of image formation, we will draw this image. See, this is the case in which the image and the height of image and the height of object is both are equal. See, ray coming parallel to principal axis and passes through focus point. Second ray will passes through focus and becomes parallel to principal axis. In this case, the object and the mirror will lie on same position. So the position of the image is at C. Size will equal to the object size and nature is real and inverted. Whenever you will get real image, it is always as inverted. Next, when object is placed beyond C. When object is placed beyond C के बाद रखा. Since AB is an object, ray becomes parallel and passes through focus point. Another ray comes from center of curvature and it retraces its path. Where the ray will meet, that will be the image point. So the image will form between C and F. See, object is a bit bigger than the image. So the position of the image will be between C and F, center of curvature and focus. Its size will be diminished because it is small size than the object. You can use as diminished. The nature of the image is real and inverted. Now let's proceed further. Next, this is very important. This is the only condition in which concave mirror can form virtual image. In this case, object is placed between focus and pole. So a ray becomes parallel to principal axis and passes through focus. Another ray comes from C and returns back. And these two rays are getting broad. When these are getting broad, so we say that the ray will meet at any point. That is, it will be appears to meet. So this is the virtual image of the object. Means जितना आप पास जा रहे हो virtual image बन रही, जितना दूर जा रहे हो उतनी ही छोटी इमेज और उतनी ही बड़ी इमेज अगर वो इन्फिनिटी पे चली गई तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा, नेचर क्या है, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट, पोजीशन बियॉन्ड द मिरर, मिरर के पीछे इमेज बन रही है, और साइज एनलार्ज्ड. So these are the conditions at which position you will keep the object and you will get the position of image. In CBSEs, these questions are not asked directly. These questions are asked like a man is sitting at some point and he observes a diminished image, then draw the image formation. In the question will be in form of words that you have to understand and draw the image. But in UP boards, these questions are asked directly. So for both the boards, you have to thoroughly go through the image formation. One thing more, always here I have drawn all the image formation by using my roughly hand, but you have to draw and practice with pencil and ruler to get the appropriate finishing. Do not forget to mark the arrow points, because if you do not mark arrow points or ray points, then you will not get the marks, because we cannot see from where ray is coming and where it is going. So this is also important. Next, image formation by using convex mirror. This is the condition. Wherever you will put the object, you will get the image between P and F, between pole and focus. See, I have kept the object here. The ray will come parallel and it will diverge and will appear to meet at focus point. another ray is coming at center of curvature and it appears to meet at C. So where these rays meet, there will be the image formed. This is the virtual image which is formed by the convex mirror. This is the only condition when image convex mirror can be formed. So these two are the special cases. You have to get thoroughly about it and practice yourself. Now let's come to mirror formula. Mirror formula is 1 by f equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u, where f is focal length, v is image distance and u is object distance. See here, image formation I have taken when object is placed beyond C. See, this is an object, so distance BP is object distance, which I have represented as u. This is image a dash b dash. Distance from b dash p is image distance. This is represented at v. fp is focal length. It is represented by small f. By using this diagram, we will going to prove this formula, mirror formula, which is not in your syllabus, but you try to understand this. This is your diagram. Now these all things I have already told you. Now see, this is Cp is the radius of curvature, which is double of focal length. Okay, this is r is equals f is equals to r by 2. This is the formula. Now see, in this figure, first of all, we are going to take these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash and C. To prove both are similar, we will prove both are similar because similarity you have you have learned that this is RHS. So by RHS both the triangles are similar. When triangles are similar, then by condition AB upon A dash B dash, BC upon B dash C. This is the first relation you get. Similarly, now we are taking triangle A dash B dash F and MNF. Similarly, both the triangles are similar, so we get MN upon A dash B dash, FN upon B dash F. MN upon A dash B dash, FN upon B dash F. Okay, so we got two relations. Now we see that n point is very closer to P point. These are very closer point, so we can consider both the point at the same point. So Fn is equals to Fp. Both are the equal, and since AB is the object and this is raised parallel, so AB is equals to Mn. So here we get Fn equals to Fp and AB equals to Mn. These two relations are put in for second. So Mn is equals to AB. So we have kept AB upon A dash B dash equals to Fn equals to Fp. So we have kept Fp is Fp upon B dash F. We get third relation. Now from first and third relation, we got these two are AB upon A dash B dash, AB upon A dash B dash. So BC upon B dash C equals to Fp upon B dash F. Both are equal. Now see, to write BC, what we can write? BC को लिखने के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं? You can subtract BP minus CP. इसको पाने के लिए आप BP में से CP को माइनस कर दो, BC आ जाएगा. तो I have done BP minus CP. To find B dash C, you can minus CP minus B dash P. CP में से B dash P को माइनस कर देंगे आप, तो B dash C आ जाएगा. Similarly B dash F, B dash P minus FP, so B dash F can be fine. Now, as I have already mentioned U, V, F and 2F from the above diagram, above image formation, we keep this value in this. BC is equals to BC. In case of BC, we write BP minus CP. In case of B dash C, we write CP minus B dash P. In case of B dash F, we write B dash P minus FP. BP is as U, CP as 2F, CP as 2F, B dash P as V. FP is F, B dash P is as V, and FP as F. Cross multiplying, we get this U into V, UV, U into F minus UF, F 2F into V, 2FV, 2F into F, 2F square. Similarly here, 2F square minus 2FV. 2F square cancel. You get UV minus UF minus FV. This I have kept, this will come from towards that side. So becomes plus FV equals to 0. You get UV plus minus UF minus FV equals to 0. Now transfer these two towards RHS. What you see? UV equals to FV plus FU. Dividing whole the equation by UV. Now dividing whole equation by UV. UV upon UV, FV upon UV, FU upon UV. So UV cancel, VV cancel, UU cancel. Here you get value 1. 1 equals to F common लिया दोनों में से. F is common, 1 by UVU plus 1 by V in bracket. This F comes in denominator. So 1 by F equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is the proof of mirror formula. If you have any query, please study 2 or 3 times. You will get clear how to prove mirror formula. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you, class.